When authorities consider lifting or relaxing the travel restrictions, it is done with the belief that the public will act responsibly. This is what Deputy Director General of Education and Research at the Ministry of Health, Dr. Hemantha Herath, said was crucial to be the successful lifting of restrictions.
The Ministry of Health has already given the necessary recommendations to the policymakers as to what should be done, and they will give their final decisions as and when the time comes. But until such time, the Ministry of Health wish to inform the public that whatever the relaxation that they are going to do will be based on the fact that the people should take the responsibility to maintain the travel restriction even if this is lifted legally, and take over the responsibility. Especially the health workers are unable to control or monitor to do the so-called policeman's job with regard to this issue, since they are fully engaged with the treatment of patients, the immunization, the contact tracing and PCR testing. So all other regulatory authorities in Sri Lanka and the public should take over this responsibility to their hand, and then we should determine to make sure that relevant travel restrictions are maintained as much as possible.
In the meantime, the police arrested 1,411 persons for violating the quarantine law yesterday. The police stated that this was the highest number of arrests made so far. With that, police media spokesperson DIG Ajit Rohana announced that special operations will be launched to nab more people attempting to violate quarantine law and restrictions.
සංචාරන සීමා උල්ලංඝනය කිරීම වල ප්‍රවණතාවයක් දක්නට ලැබෙන නිසා ප්‍රධාන මාර්ගවලට අමතරව අතුරු මාර්ගවලත් පොලිස් සංචාර යෙදවීමට බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා.
In the meantime, the police media spokesperson also announced today that the validity period for travel restriction passes issued for delivery services has been extended.
සංචාරන සීමා ක්‍රියාත්මක වන කාලය තුල මහජනතාවට ඩිලිවරි සේවා මගින් සේවා සැපයීම ආහාර බෙදා හැරීම අප විසින් දිරුමත් කර තිබෙනවා. එමෙන්ම එම ඩිලිවරි සේවා සඳහා විශේෂයෙන්ම ප්‍රාදේශීය ලේකම්වරුන් විසින් සහ අනිකුත් බලධාරීන් විසින් බලපත්‍ර නිකුත් කර තිබෙනවා. එම බලපත්‍ර පසුගිය 14 වෙනිදායින් අවසන් වීමට නියමිතව තිබුණා. එයට හේතුව 14 වෙනිදා සංචාරන නියෝගය අවසන් වීමට නියමිතව තිබූ බැවින්. කෙසේ වෙතත් දැනට සංචාරන නියෝගය 21 වෙනිදා දක්වා දීර්ඝ වී ඇති බැවින් එම බලපත්‍රත් 21 වෙනිදා දක්වා පාවිච්චි කිරීමට හැකියාවක් තිබෙනවා.
Meanwhile, the Commissioner of the Excise Department, Kapila Kumara Singh, stated today that the Ministry of Finance has granted approval for the public to purchase liquor through online services. However, the decision will need to be ratified with the approval from the National Operations Centre for the Prevention of COVID-19. The Excise Department stated that the decision was taken after considering the many requests that had been made by the public and supermarket operators. The decision, however, met some opposition from the Sri Lanka Medical Association. The association states that allowing the purchase of alcohol online would circumvent age, time and location restrictions mandated for alcohol sales in the country through the Excise Ordinance and the National Authority on Tobacco and Alcohol Act No. 26 of 2006.
Close Up Ever Fresh Toothpaste. පැය 12ක් දක්වා නැවුම් මෝමක පහස අත්විඳින්න.